G'day guys, Mark the Bearded Tech Skiing coming to you from the show floor, Integrate 2025. Standing here with Blair Fredrickson from Alloys Distribution. Blair, we're standing in front of IVSEC. This is an Alloys brand, yeah?
Correct. So we're an Australian brand.
Australian brand.
That's right.
And right beside it is the important thing.
Yeah, NDAA-compliant, which means that we're using only certain chipsets which are on the good boy list, right?
Yeah.
So it's not some overseas companies.
So good boy for defence and all sorts of... If you've ticked the defence box, you've ticked the box for everything, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Spot on.
Nice.
Yeah, for sure.
Mate, we've talked about IVSEC before. It's a great product, very simple to use, which we'll come to.
Yeah.
But firstly, what is new in the IVSEC range and the world of IVSEC?
Okay. So over the past year, a fair bit's happened.
Yep.
We've got a turret here, and we've increased the resolution on them. So now you can get your really low end or your cost-effective camera at 4 megapixel.
Entry level.
5. Entry level, that's right. So you got 4 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and now 12 megapixel as well.
Wow.
We've also got thermal cameras, which look really hot at night.
Yep.
So you got really long range perimeter intrusion detection and fire detection.
Okay.
That's this guy up here.
And so thermal detection is people only, or is it animals? What is it? How far does it go?
It's heat. So it could be a vehicle at a massive range, and then you can use that to trigger an event, right? Which will do a push notification through to your phone, or you can do anything from there. You know, just send an email, save to the cloud.
Trigger an automation system to turn a light on.
Exactly, spot on.
Yeah, right.
And that's very, very easy to set up.
Yeah, nice. Okay. So we've done that. We've done thermal, and then we've got a big boy up here.
Yes, that's our new license plate recognition camera.
LPR for short.
They come in different size lenses. That's a 5 to 30 mil, which means that we can pick up a plate at a greater distance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can get. So what are the ranges for it though? Like 5 to 30 mil. You can go bigger than that. You're saying?
Yeah. So I've got a big boy PTZ.
Yeah.
That's got a 200 mil lens that we do for marine rescue.
That's a
all
long way out.
That's K's.
Yeah, right.
That's doing a long way away. For vehicle recognition and stuff like that.
And can you trigger from that as well?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
So what I might actually do is show you how easy the AI is to set up as well.
Yeah.
Because I want the end users to know that this isn't super complicated.
Yeah.
You can get a kit, you can set it all up. A kit is like 4 cameras and an NVR. It's all plug and play, and the AI is really, really easy to use.
Yeah, so and that is the biggest challenge as we sort of segue to that. The biggest challenge is well, as an integrator, number one, if you're not a massive security user, you can still add that onto as an add-on to your business because it's really easy to do. But then you've got to train your client, and you want them to know how to use it, and so that's a really simple key part. So it's just simply an app, yeah.
Yeah, it's a simple app. It's a free app. There's no subscriptions or anything like that. Once you've got the gear, it's all yours.
Yep.
And then within the app itself, there's a lot of help files and tutorials.
Yep.
But the actual functionality of setting up the AI is like 3 clicks and you're up and running.
Yeah. So walk us through. What can we look at?
So I'll give you a super quick example.
This is the app. There's a little AI button down here.
That's right. So if I click on that AI button.
And this has got to work in a show environment.
Oh, I hate shows, mate. In Wi-Fi. We're using a lot of Wi-Fi in here. You can set up. So under setup, you've got facial detection, which is human detection, like faces. So it'll know the difference between Bob and Rob.
Yep.
You've got pedestrian and vehicle, perimeter intrusion detection. There's rare sound detection, license plate detection.
Rare sound detection?
Rare sound detection is kind of cool.
Yeah,
so you can do like dogs barking and gunshots and stuff like
Baby
that.
crying.
Baby crying.
Yeah, right. So you can put a camera in the baby's room. And
100%.
You know when they're awake.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's simple.
There's new and improvements to AI all the time, and it's really, really easy to set up. It's based off the camera itself. Once you've chosen your AI, you can go in and you can add faces or you can add plates to like an allow list or a block list or an unknown list. And then you can easily...
So add a photo of you, Blair, and
add me to the allow list.
Yeah, the decline list.
So from there, I can go in and do an actual event search. So I can go, hey, I'm interested in who walked past my cameras last night. You can choose your cameras. I've got a 64 channel on here. You can get up to 256 channel. Let's just have a quick peek at who this guy is. There's someone in the background there just cleaning away. So this camera, the bullet camera, has detected him cleaning, and that's how quick and easy it is to find a person
That's really cool.
using the app.
Yeah, right. And we should know, like, it is that has actually been pretty quick to work, and we are in a show environment. There's Wi-Fi everywhere. Like, networks are getting smashed.
It's no marketing. This is a live system.
Yeah, absolutely. This is really, really cool, and that's the user. So that AI is in the app now. You just download it and away you go.
Yeah. So the AI is dependent upon the camera itself.
Okay.
So every camera has the key. Yeah, the normal AI is like human and vehicle detection, perimeter intrusion detection, line crossing detection, and rare sound detection.
Yeah.
Pretty much every camera has that. And then you can go up to your bigger cameras for like license plate recognition.
And go from there. Yeah. That's super, super cool. Really, really easy. Where if people want to know more, what do they need to do?
They should get in contact with Alloys or via the IVSEC website.
Yep.
And then we're an Australian brand, so we're always happy to talk to people, work out which camera goes where, and just provide that extra bit of support. Yeah,
and when you say support, there is also dedicated support for IVSEC.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, for technical support.
Our tech support team have been with us for since the brand started about 14 years ago.
Yep.
So we know.
They know it inside out.
We've heard it all before.
Yeah, nice. All right, guys, if you're down at the show at Integrate 2025, come say good day to Blair. Check out the new stuff. It's really, really cool. Make sure you know how to use, like you have a bit of a tutorial. You won't need much because it just kind of works and it's very intuitive.
It's very easy.
Yeah, congratulations. A good product. Check it out. IVSEC. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.